Eliana finally got her cast off just in time for summer. Today we are going to be doing some fun summer-themed DIY projects. We're going to be customizing this really cute summer tote bag, and we're going to be adding some labels onto our jug lemonade dispenser, whatever you want to call it. Thank you, Cricket, for sponsoring this video. Before we get into the DIY projects, we wanted to show you guys Eliana.
Which one is she? She has no cast on, she has no cast on, she has no cast on. Are you Eliana?
No.
Are you Eliana?
No.
Hey. Oh, I think that might be Eliana. Eliana, what are you doing? You don't have to crawl.
Yep, guys, she's still crawling. She doesn't want to... She'll stand if she holds on to something, but she still thinks that her cast is on, which is not.
Yeah, I think it's more of a mental thing for her now.
Well, the doctor did say that her leg was stiff for...
Guys, hey. Hey, take it easy.
Like this. Come in the middle. Like this. Now you guys can all sit together like pretty princesses.
Aw, look at them. So cute. They all look so... Eliana, you feel better now? So this was her leg that was in the cast, as you can tell. Like she still moves around just fine. She just...
Eliana! Esther!
You guys look so cute. So yes, thank God, you know, she had the cast on for 6 weeks. They took it off. They said there's a bunch of new bone.
Yes, there's a bunch of new bone forming around it. She is still very like scared when I pick her up from her high chair. She's back in her high chair now and back in her crib, and she's actually happy. Like when we put her back in her crib, she actually wanted to be back in there. You can't go back there. You're gonna make booba.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, booba.
So she's like back to her normal schedule, which is better, makes it easier for us. But she does scream a lot, like when I pick her up from her high chair or pick her up to change her diaper or bend her leg, because she was so used to it, having it, you know, just stuck in her cast for so long, and she wasn't able to move it until now. But other than that, it looks like she's healing good.
Yeah, you doing good, Eliana?
She does have another appointment within like
good,
another 6 weeks.
You doing good, Eliana? You doing good, Eliana? You doing good, Eliana?
They'll have another x-ray in like 6 weeks and check on her leg. But so far, she seems good. But the first 2 days when she came home, she was like constantly crying when she would move her leg. Like it was like it hurt her to move it. Now she seems a little better.
Yeah, so she still tries to hold on to something to support herself.
Yeah.
She really doesn't need to, but like...
No. This is for baby Leia. Baby Leia's napping right now, and Sammy's napping too. Also, I wanted to mention today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and happy Father's Day to this amazing dad right here. We love him so much, and we appreciate all the hard work he does to provide for us and this family. Here are 4 of the kids. No, I'm not.
A lot of girls. I guess I'm a girl dad.
Leia's napping, Sammy is napping, and we're about to have another boy to join the club.
Yeah, baby.
I love you, honey.
Love you too.
You're the best dad out there.
Thanks.
I think she just covered her kiss. Oh. One more quick thing before we get into the projects. I wanted to give you guys a little update on the pregnancy. I am actually due for a C-section so soon. It is scary, literally like it's almost only a week away. And we can't believe baby boy will be here soon. But everything is going good. I'm still getting my iron IV infusions once a week. And baby's looking good. His head is measuring kind of big, but I think that just like runs in a family. But he is healthy. He is already 5 pounds. I think he's almost 6 pounds, which is like, he's a little bigger, which is a good thing, I guess. He's not like extra small or anything, which is good. It's, you know, not a bad thing that he's bigger. And also I do have more ultrasounds now because the amniotic fluid around the baby is a little low, so they want to keep an eye on that, make sure there's enough fluid in there. So I'm gonna have some more ultrasounds coming up, iron infusion, and then the birth will be here any day now. And you guys will see a birth vlog soon. And now we will get into the Cricut projects. Okay guys, so here is our first project. We're gonna be creating some labels for our lemonade dispenser. And the materials you'll need is your vinyl of choice, your mat, cutting board, some transfer tape, our picker tool and our spatula, and of course the Cricut maker. Now we are in Cricut Design Space. First thing you're gonna do is select images and search for lemonade. Once you've found the design you like, you're gonna click on it and size it to whatever you need. Then you'll click make it. When you get to this page, make sure that the material size matches what you have. Click continue, select your material. For this project, we're using regular vinyl. Now we are cutting our material to size and placing it in our mat board. Once that's done, you're gonna load your material into the Cricut maker and now watch it go to work. Once your design is cut out, you're going to use your picker tool to remove the excess vinyl. Then you're going to cut your transfer tape to size and stick it onto your design, essentially creating one big sticker. Now take your spatula tool and really press down that transfer tape. After that, we're going to remove our design and test fit it to our lemonade dispenser. Once you know where you want it, you're going to peel off your transfer tape along with your design and apply it to your lemonade dispenser. But do not get too excited, it's not over yet. Don't forget to really press down on your design to make sure it sticks. Now you can remove your transfer tape for the final reveal. Guys, this came out super cute. Me and Oni are both so in love with it. We're gonna add some lemons and some mint. We have some lemonade and some raspberry lemonade in here with some ice. We're gonna add that in and mix it around.
Give that a good stir. Wow, it smells so good. Oh, I wish you guys could smell that, the mint and the lemon.
The mint is actually really strong. I like it. It smells really good.
It smells amazing.
Look at that, it looks so nice. Look.
Love that.
Perfect.
Love it, love it, love it.
I love how this came out.
Me too.
Now for our second project, we are gonna be personalizing this summer tote bag. The materials that you need are gonna be the infusible ink transfer sheets, the cutting board, the cardstock paper, the easy press mat, some heat resistant tape, some butcher paper, our mat, and our picker tool, and of course, the Cricut maker and the easy press tool. Now back in Cricut Design Space, you're gonna click on images and search for whatever you want to put on your bag. For us, we want to do a peach. Once you find what you like, you're going to size it. Click make it and make sure you select mirror. Next, you'll choose your material. For us, we're using an iron-on infusible ink transfer sheet. Now, we're gonna cut our transfer sheet to size, stick it to our mat board, and load it into the Cricut maker. Next, you want to preheat your Easy Press 2 to 385. Now we're gonna peel off our design and remove all the excess material with our picker tool. Once that's done, you can go ahead and put your Easy Press mat inside your bag along with a sheet of cardstock on the mat. You also have to place a sheet of butcher paper on top of your bag. Now place your Easy Press 2 on top of the butcher paper and preheat for 15 seconds. Once it's preheated, remove the butcher paper and place your design face down on your bag. When you have it where you want it, you'll place a fresh sheet of butcher paper on top of your design. And now it's time to put the Easy Press 2 to work at 385 for around 75 seconds. When it's complete, please be careful when removing the butcher paper since it is very hot. Give it some time to cool. Once it's cooled off, you can remove everything and see your finished product. Guys, I love how this summer tote bag turned out. Look how cute that is. A cute, perfect, big peach. And our lemonade dispenser. We are totally in love with it. These were our 2 projects and we are so in love. Cricut made it so easy for us. We are definitely gonna be doing more DIY projects like this.
Yeah, the bag came out so cute. It was so easy to make, and the thing is, it's infusible ink, so it's not like a sticker, it's not a vinyl. You know, there's nothing that's sticking up. It's completely infused into the canvas.
Yep. It's literally on there.
Yeah, it was so easy to make.
My hands
So,
are dry.
the Easy Press to the Cricut Maker, amazing products. This stuff was so fun to make, and we hope you guys can utilize these products, create some cool stuff for yourselves at home. Have a great summer.
Yeah, it's really fun, guys.
Let's say hello to the
Esther.
Esther real quick. Hey Esther, you drinking some lemonade? Yeah, we got a lemonade. We have a lot of lemonade to go through
Put them all
tonight.
some lemonade so we can use it up.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, Eliana?
Good.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Look who woke up!
Leia!
Leia, baby!
You squishy little princess. You're so
Are
chubby.
you hungry?
You're so chubby.
Yes, she's hungry because she loves food.
Leia, you want some lemonade?
And she eats all the time.
You want some lemonade? She's so
I
chubby.
love you.
She's so cute.
She's literally
Leia,
so cute.
say hi to your sisters.
She's gaining weight and getting bigger every day.
Say hi to your sisters, Leia.
Esther, Evelyn, Eliana, baby Leia, it's baby Leia. Say hi. They're always wearing a... Yes, baby, baby. They always say baby to Leia. They're like, baby, baby, baby.
Well, all right, guys. We had so much fun today making that awesome stuff. And so, please go show Cricut.
You cutie.
Go show
She's
Cricut
so
some love.
excited.
Click the link in the description. That
Yes,
about does it
guys.
for today's video.
Thank you guys so much.
We'll see
We'll
you
see
guys,
you guys
next week.
time.
Bye.
Bye.
Perfection. That's awesome.